Hello everyone, my name is Drew and welcome to this quick tutorial from Grupo Orve. In the following video, I'm going to help you on how to send money abroad with TransferWise. So first of all, just to keep in mind, we use the mid-market rate. This is the same rate that you can see when you check on Google. You can check even in other reliable websites such as Yahoo when you search for the currency that you want and the currency that you want to send to. This is the mid-market rate. Okay, so what we need four simple things. First of all, we need that you have an account with us. Second thing that we need from you, we need to have an ID because we need to check if you're a real person. The third thing that we need is for you to have your payment details ready at the end of the transaction. And fourth thing is that we need your recipient's detail. You can add them first at the Recipients tab, or either you can enter here while doing the transfer with us. Let's start with this tutorial. To start, head to your TransferWise account. I'm doing this from my laptop here, and you can do it from your laptop or on the app. So, on your top right corner, click on the blue login button. And now you can type your email and your password, and you're going to be logged into your account. After that, you're going to see on your left-hand corner on the top of a green button saying Send. Okay, you click on that button and now we're going to start doing the process of sending money with TransferWise. Now you can see that you have two things to choose, the amount of money and the currency. The top one is the one that you are sending from, and the second one is the currency that your recipient is going to receive the money. Okay, so you can put the amount that you want to send on the top, or if you want the recipient to receive an exact amount, you can put that amount in the box below. Another thing that you can see here is the fees that we're going to apply to you for the amount that you're sending and the currency exchange rate from that moment. This changes a lot throughout the day, so keep that in mind. Alright, the second part is for the recipient. If you already have a saved recipient, it's going to show the name. If you don't have one, you're going to send to another person because it asks you if you are sending to yourself or another person, so you click on one of those. If you don't have it, you just need to create a new recipient with all the bank details. Okay, once you click on that, after you're going to see the amount, the name of the recipient, and the account of the recipient. Please check if everything is okay, because if it's not okay, the money is going to be back with us and we will have to contact you, and it's going to take a little bit longer. So the last step, after you confirm that everything is okay, you're going to click that you are confirming everything. The amount, the person, and the account that you're sending the money to. Click on Confirm, and after you confirm, you're going to see our payment methods. Some currencies have different payment methods, so you can check the one that you prefer to send the money to. And you can choose it if you want from the card as well. You can choose the card from some currencies that we have. You have to put your payment method. If you want, you can do a transfer. It's going to be manually, so you have to go over to your online bank and then you have to send the money to us. We're going to give you our bank details on your currency and you can send it to us. And we're going to send the money to your recipient. For each of the different payment methods, we show you a different fee, but you can choose whatever you want to send and that's it. Your transfer is done. You can keep an eye on it inside of your app, or you can keep an eye on it on your email because we send an email for every step that it is going through. So after everything is done, the money will be sent to the recipient's account. And if you put the email from your recipient on the recipient tab, we're going to send an email to your recipient, so the person is going to be informed as well. Most transfers happen in the same day, but there are some transfers that may take up to 7 working days. For further questions, or if you want to find out more about the TransferWise payment method, please contact our customer service agents. On behalf of Grupo Orve and myself, thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Goodbye.